Good morning, good morning. We're going to rescue a Honda FD today. We're using the Toyota Land Cruiser of Adrian Anion. There you go. It's a nice one, nice car. Yeah, look at that. Woo. Executive, eh? Binatukan din yung ano eh.
Sa
Wait, check mo 2 minutes ah.
Layo pa na yun.
Layo pa?
Fear Factor yung aming pinunta.
Fear Factor.
Sumasok kami doon na alas 10. Kasi yung mga bata, lalaki yung mata nakakita.
Nakatakot yun.
Video ba yun? Video naka-video na yung dalan.
Meron dito eh sa Oakland doon.
Ay, Spokers.
Spookers, yeah.
Spookers.
Spookers.